Hello ladies and gentlemen, Not So Solid Snake here with another exciting YouTube tutorial. For Christmas, my mom got me a new computer. The one I had, after I uninstalled Cortana, it wouldn't start up ever again. She got me this computer and I'm gonna check it out some more now. All I've done is gone on here and all I've done is change the background so far, but it came with a couple games. I'm gonna try to at least upgrade it to Windows 10. Alright. And it should be loading up. Yeah, here we go. Later. Oh, free stuff, huh? No, that's okay. Alright, I hope it loads. Yeah, here we go. That's a pretty cool intro. So I guess this is the second one. I never... What the what was that? Okay. Let's do new. I don't want to see Mario again. I'm going to pick Luigi. Enter your name. Okay. Choose a step by step. I don't know. So I guess we just hit these letters here. J, K. Well, it's not very hard. Gosh, I mean... Oh, that's kind of weird. Well, if I need to type a semicolon or an A, I'm your guy. I don't really like this game. I'm gonna close it out. It's a little scary, too. Uh-oh. Yeah, I wanna quit. Another fun game. This Mr. Potato Head. It came with it.
He's talented, he's so well bred. He's Mr. Potato Head. He's more fun than any Spud should be.
Oh yeah.
He's cool, he's really hot. It's hard to think of what he's not. He's everything that Mr. P. When you're out.
Alright, I'm just gonna click.
Check out my club. There's lots of cool stuff to do. Painting, dress me up, jigsaw puzzle, and crafts. What do you want to play?
Let's try to dress
I
up.
love to play dress. I'll lend you a hand. Oh,
That sounded kind of weird on my side. Okay, what do we do? Give him a hat.
ho!
Okay. Look at these green ears. Give him this red eye here. I didn't know you could click on. Okay. Oh, give him this one with the fish. And I like this one. Kinda looks like a robot. Oh, is that it? Okay. I guess you can paint if you want. Kind of weird, to be honest. Okay. Okay, you can make stuff bigger too. Oh, okay. What do I do now?
Do you want to save your work?
Yeah. Okay.
Dress me up.
No, thank you. We're gonna go. I thought this game was a little fun.
Let's make a puzzle.
Puzzle. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna speed run this puzzle. Ready? Go! Okay.
Can't see.
No, let's go.
Are you sure it's time? I'll see you around.
Yeah, I don't think there's a lot to do, but we did get a Windows 98 disk with this one, so let me pop it in and we'll try to upgrade. Here we go. Yes. I really hope it works. I can't really read this anymore. Okay. And here we go, guys.